To get started, install SQLite or Jupyter Notebook. This video will be using Jupyter Notebook. The first thing to do is to load everything using the following commands. To see everything in the table, use select star from table name. For certain columns, list them instead. If we want unique column values, distinct can be used. To filter all rows based on a condition, use the where clause. A very common clause in SQL is group by, which is used to group rows that have the same values. Make sure to use an aggregate function, like count, max, min, sum, or average. You can optionally use the halving clause, which filters all groups based on a condition. To sort the data, use order by. The default is in ascending order, and to do it in descending order, it needs to be specified. If you want to restrict the number of rows, use the limit clause. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe for part 2. Thanks for watching.